Hello, welcome to my channel. Oh my gosh, I literally just took a picture. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, cooking with Sav. Oh, today we're gonna cook Spanish rice with my co-host Eric, and who's man.
What?
So I actually have half of the ingredients I'm supposed to have, so we're gonna see how it comes out. Ingredients that you're gonna need for Spanish rice is rice with some Spanishness in it. Spanishness. I'm supposed to have tomato paste, but I only have tomato sauce. I actually don't know how to cut onions right.
Oh my god, why'd you chop it up in threes?
Why not? It's just gonna go in your tummy and go out a different way. I'm not prepared.
Oh Jesus.
Oh, are your eyes watering?
This is like the first
Are
time.
you crying because I'm just so beautiful? There has nothing in these ingredients that say olive oil.
You're supposed to season like the pan.
Oh.
That's basic cooking rice.
I usually just get a pan of water and then let it boil, and then I put the rice and then put some butter in it. Do we need the whole onion?
Yes.
Are you crying?
Yes! Jesus.
Why are you yelling at me? Whoa, that was a lot. I can drizzle all up in here. What you're gonna need today. Oh. Uno taza de arzo jasmine. But we're doubling it, so dos. 2 tazas de agua. Uno sombre de sazon con cilantro y, oh that's E, not Y, y achoti. 2 dientes de ajos, cebolla en tarzas a gusto. 2 cubos. What? 2 cubes, 2 cubos de caldo de pollo. Oh, that's the chicken broth. I knew that one, pollo. Aceite de olive. And 1/2 media.
Maybe.
Media lata de salsa de tomato. Rice, azurzos. Arroz, rojo.
No.
Arroz.
You said red rice.
Onions. Onion. Olive. El olive. Tomato sauce, but you should have tomato paste, but we don't have tomato sauce, so tomato pasta seasoning. And pollo seasoning. Garlic seasoning.
Seriously, aho.
Aho?
Aho.
You a hoe? What you're gonna wanna do with this is you wanna mix it all up until it's all drenched with extra oil, olive oil. Just mix it and mix and mix and mix and mix and mix until it's mixed. So I'm gonna drop my mixtape because that's how mixed it will be. Coming out January 25th, 2017. LOL, I'm editing this and he does a wink because he thinks he's cute or something, but you're not. I think you're supposed to mix it until it turns like white.
Yeah, clear water.
Yeah? Okay.
Back at it again with trying to be cute or something.
Tired.
Good. Cooking rice. Gracias. 4 aguas. Oh wait, one of those. 4 aguas. Oh, I just spilled all of that water.
All on me outside. Where your top and triple towels? Savannah.
Oh, I just spilled more water.
I see you.
And all of this?
Yeah, all of it.
Okay, put all of it in there. Oh, this is good.
Or just
Just sprinkle it all on there. Yeah. Oh, because I already put a whole one of those other ones in. And just stir it around.
Go put Spanish stuff in there.
Put some little Mexico in there.
So you guys speak Spanish.
Oh, just Mexico. I lost the bouillon. Oh, there it is. We're gonna let this sit. We'll be back to you later. Is this too high? Need to put the lid on. Look how beautiful this is.
It actually looks really nice. You get it, you babe.
I know, sorry. What you're gonna need next, the next steps are a bowl.
Whip it through the glass, sugar. I'm blowing money.
Hey family! Come dry my rice!
I just supervised.
Oh, okay.
I just supervised.
Oh, okay.
Oh, spicy.
It smells really good out here.
Come on.
Well, as how.
Oh, it's hard.
No. The Beagle?
You store.
No. I still
Pretty
remember.
good.
This is really good.
Not like this, but.
I know, I'm just the best. I know!
Try some
Tell me
more.
what you put in it.
Ingredients?
Let me try some more.
Last time.
Good ingredients.
It is good.
Put onion.
It's again.
Next time just add like sausages or pieces of chicken. And then that'll be just perfect.
Or beans.
Or beans.
I got beans, greens, tomatoes. Where are your mom and dad from?
Oh,
Bye!